Hello everyone. In this video, we see the topic area statement. Area statement includes carpet area and built-up area. What is meant by carpet area? It is the area that can actually be covered by carpet or the area excluding the thickness of inner walls. It means the usable area of a building or any kind of a component, that is the kitchen and dining, is called the carpet area. It does not include the space covered by common areas such as lobby, lift, staircase. Next one, the carpet area is the actual area you get for a use in a housing unit. As I said, the carpet area is usually around the 70% of the built up area. Okay, what is meant by built up area? Built up area is the area that comes after adding carpet area and the wall area. It's called the built up area. How we can calculate the carpet area? Carpet area is calculated by sum of all areas. Means what? Sum of area means sum of a bedroom area, living room area, balconies area plus toilet area, and we can deduct from that the thickness of the internal wall equals to the carpet area. This is the simple diagram of a built up area. Okay, you can see over there that green portion indicates the built up area. How we can calculate the built up area? Carpet area plus area of a walls plus area of a utility and interior parts equals to the built up area. It means carpet area, first of all we calculate the carpet area by adding all the rooms area minus deducting the internal wall, plus in built up area we can add the area of a walls too plus the area of a utility and interior parts equals to the built up area. Generally the built up area is 10% more than the carpet area. For example, if a carpet area is 1000 meter square feet, then the built up area would be around 11,000 square feet. Okay, it's nothing but the area we built is called the built up area. This is the simple diagram of a super built up area. Super built up area is nothing but the whole area covered in a construction is called the super built up area. Okay, what is meant by floor space index? Floor space index means FSI. FSI stands for floor space index, also known as the floor area ratio. FSI means the ratio between the area of a converted floor, that is the built up area, to the area of the land on which building stand. This numerical value indicate the total amount of area you can build or you can build up a plot. They will regulate the FSI value based on a city zone, type of a building and other amenities. Construction companies or builders can only build up to the FSI imposed by the government. FSI into plot area equals to built up area. It means that FSI equals to built up area upon plot area. It means FSI is the ratio of built up area to the plot area. Okay, for example, when we say the FSI in a certain location is 1.5, it means that if there is a 1000 square feet of plot, the total floor area cannot be exceed 1500 meter square feet area. Okay, everyone understand? This is nothing but the FSI. In this video we see the area statement. Area statement includes built up area and the carpet area mostly. What is meant by carpet area? Carpet area is the area which is used for the housing unit, excluding internal wall, lobbies, staircase, etc. Built up area means the area which we can build up, including all area rooms, including the walls and toilet unit and open space too. Okay, and what is meant by FSI? FSI is nothing but the floor space index. It is the ratio of built up area to the plot area, and FSI is constant for the particular city and the zone. According to that, every contractor can construct the building. What is meant by FSI? When we say that FSI is a certain location is 1.5, it means that if there is a 1000 square feet area plot, the total floor area cannot be exceed 1500 square feet. Okay, I hope everyone understand. Thank you.